In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Keynote to create objects for the augmented reality scene that you're creating. This video is an extension to complement the Connected Falkirk Bringing Books to Life challenge as part of World Book Day 2023, so please watch that video for details of the full activity. So using Keynote, you can either draw characters or objects or create them using features already built into the Keynote app that you can then use within your AR scene in AR Makr. So the first thing that you need to do is open up Keynote. Once in Keynote, you want to open a new presentation by tapping the plus button and then choose a theme. You'd want to use one with a white background probably, but there's lots of other options there, but we're going to make the background transparent anyway. And you want to go to the top right and tap and then make sure it's standard, so 4:3 instead of wide, so that it's the right size to go into AR Makr after. Then tap onto the first presentation and just tap and delete each of the text boxes. At this point, you can then decide what you want to build. So you might want to use the objects by tapping the top icon with the plus and the circle and going through the objects that are available within Keynote. You can change the colours of these, the outlines, and then embed those into your AR scene. Or you can just draw straight onto the Keynote slides using a stylus or Apple Pencil and using the tools that are available on the toolbar at the bottom. I created a presentation earlier for the Very Hungry Caterpillar, so I designed my caterpillar to look like this, and I designed that using the tools available in Keynote. Now the next thing I need to do is tap the paintbrush on the top right hand side, and then tap background, and then I want to select no fill. This is really important as I want the background to be transparent when I put it into AR Makr so it doesn't have a white box around it. So you'll see the back of the screen then goes black. You want to come out of the presentation and you want to tap and hold onto it. Then from this menu, you want to tap Share. And then you want to tap Export. Then Images. And at this point at the bottom it says transparent backgrounds. You want to make sure this is toggled on and that you've set the format as a PNG. Now you just want to tap the blue export in the top right and then share and then save image. This is going to save the image that you've created of the Hungry Caterpillar to your camera roll. So if you back out and go into your camera roll, you'll now see it there. And then you just upload this to AR Makr in the exact same way that I showed you in the other video. I hope that's been really helpful and that you get to try this as part of the optional stage in the Bring a Book to Life challenge. After watching this video, if you still have any questions about how to do this, then please do get in touch. And if you try it out, please do remember to tag us at @ConnectedFalk on Twitter. Thank you.